Hi friend, this is a triple candlesticks patterns. So we are seeing many candlesticks, so like morning star, three white shoulders, raising three inside up, bull three line strike, and evening star, three black crow, falling three inside down, bearish three line strike. Those are candlesticks are very important in trading. So if you want trade, so you learn and then you ready to trade, and I hope you will be very profitable. Okay, so thank you guys, see this video and your support. I hope you are doing well in your trading journey. Thank you.